Welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to import a MetaMask account to any device in 2024. So the first thing you need to do is download the MetaMask app. You need to go to the Play Store and you search MetaMask. And I download this application. So here set open, but what you see when the application is not installed, the only thing the button you need to put is the install button here. So after you download the application, you need to go to the application and you pick here and get started, and you need to put in import using secret recovery phrases. So this is phrases given to you when you create the account of MetaMask. So you need to you need to put this in a safe place. These words to import your wallet, import your account to any device. So this is a test account. So I put here in agree, and the only thing you need to do is put here in accept, and you need to go down. And after that you need to put here and accept. This is for the control of the app. You need to pick here and you pick an accept, and after that you need to put here the enter of your secret recovery and your password. So after that the application is open in your device. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.